If something is in a certain perspective and you want to straighten that out, then you can utilize something called the perspective crop right here. So once you go around onto perspective crop, you can go around and click and drag around the edges right here, just like this. Just go around, click and drag around the edges and place it out onto the perspective area that you want to straighten out. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around for this laptop keyboard right here and press enter, and what happens is that it straightens it out, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the perspective crop inside a Photopea right here, just like this. Let me just go around and press Ctrl Z right here a few times, and then what you can also do is you can go for other objects right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say, this object right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go around onto this object, and I'm going to go around onto this object right here and this object as well, just like this. So if I were to go around and pull this out, then this is the perspective that I have. So simply press enter on your keyboard and then you have the perspective crop of that particular area. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the perspective crop inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.